Hello, Amazon sellers. My name is Anthony Zane, and I'm a paralegal here at Rosenbaum, Famularo, and Siegel. And today I want to talk to you about dropshipping and some of the common issues we see from sellers who dropship. So, dropshipping is actually allowed by Amazon with a few rules. First, you must be the seller of record. And second, the package you ship to customers must also identify you as the seller of record. And third, you must be responsible for the returns and the processing of customer service regarding the sale of your product. So that being said, there are various ways of running a legitimate dropshipping business. We have seen many sellers who dropship here at Rosenbaum, Famularo, and Siegel, and we also have seen various ways of how that is done. But commonly, what sellers do is they will have a extended period of fulfillment in order to actually source the products after receiving an order on Amazon. Thus, the advantages are that you don't have to hold a large inventory. A common issue we see with that is during the busy seasons, if there's an issue within the supply chain, even if you have an extended fulfillment period, you will still encounter problems with sourcing the products and fulfilling the orders on time. This will contribute to negative reviews, negative feedback, but also it will contribute to a high order defect rate or ODR rate, which is enforceable by Amazon. Another advantage of actually having a dropshipping model is that you will be able to offer a much larger selection of products to customers. This is good because you're able to diversify what you're trying to sell, but you also might encounter problems, and this is commonly seen in listing management. So what I mean by this, a lot of times having a large selection of listings means that you will have a higher chance of receiving various complaints and violations. A lot of times, due to the number of listings, a seller might not be able to evaluate all of the listings. This might contribute to restricted product listings, might contribute to joining duplicate listings that receive IP complaints, or it might just cause the seller to actually join listings that's not formatted properly according to Amazon, and thus you'll receive listing complaints. So there are many ways to receive complaints, and mainly it's because of the large number of listings that people who dropship will have in their catalog. So if you are having various issues with your dropshipping business and you want some help addressing all these issues that you find in your account health, you can always contact us. Here at Rosenbaum, Famularo, and Siegel, we are very experienced in dealing with various issues, such as IP or various Amazon violations that people incur on their accounts. And we're very willing to help sellers who encounter those problems. You can always visit our website for a variety of information, but if you do encounter the more difficult issues and need assistance, you can always contact us directly. So thank you.